to you about today are a couple of new products that we're just launching. We're going to start with two of them, the Atom X5 and the Atom X7. And what you're seeing us do now is we're starting to segment the Atom line. So you see the X3, the X5, and the X7. The X5 and the X7 are really designed to be the performance platforms for Atom. This is a product that's formally codenamed Cherry Trail. You probably know about it. It's really our first 14-nanometer mobile solution with the new Atom core. And I actually brought one example here. This product has brought not only better CPU performance, but about 2x the graphics performance. And I'm going to try and drive a car here upside down, so I can't make my driving here. I don't know if I'm going off-road or not. But the idea here is really much, much better graphics performance. So I'm going to try and drive, I'm going to drive in the opposite direction using the screen. But the idea here is 2x the graphics performance, improved battery life with the 14-nanometer technology, we'll just keep hitting walls, and better CPU performance as well. This product will be in market as we come out through this first half of this year. And it actually began shipping at the end of 2014. So that's our first set of products. So that, like I said, is the Atom X5 and the X7. The next one I'd like to talk to you about, designed targeted directly towards the mobile space, is the Atom X3. And this is a product you've probably previously heard described as SoFIA. This is the first of a whole family of products we'll be bringing out over the future here of fully integrated SoCs that have all of the connectivity and comms in the single piece of silicon. It's starting with 3G, and we have a set of products here from a variety of OEMs on the 3G. And as we go through the year, it will have LTE and all levels of LTE, Cat 4, Cat 6, so on and so forth as we go on. 20 design partners that are showcased at MWC this year with over 27 different designs that are going to be, if you go out into our booth, you'll see all of the 4-inch to 8-inch, globally certified at launch. We can get a customer to market in 6 to 8 weeks with this product. So quite a difference here when you take a look at the silicon perspective. We've got the high end with Cherry Trail products. We've got the mid to lower range with SoFIA. We've got 3G, we've got LTE, fully integrated, all orchestrated towards supporting the mobile silicon base. But you've got to have also additional modems. You've got to have that high-end modem for the real performance smartphones. So we've been producing the 7260 modem. It's been shipping with OEM partners for some time now. We have one example here. This is the Lenovo P90. This is using our 7260 product. And it'll start shipping, it's been shipping in China for a while. It'll ship through EMEA later on this quarter. And it's using the 7260. But we're also announcing today the 7360, which is the next generation of our mobile modem database. And it is full 5-mode modem, TDD, I always have to get this right, TDD FDD and TD-SCDMA. I always have to get those right. Supporting up to 29 LTE bands. It's considered a full Cat 10 modem, and that will be out later this year. And then additionally, if you go out into our booth right now, you can check out our 5G pre-concept system that combines LTE with WiGig, delivering greater than 1 gigabit per second speeds. Again, showing really the next generation of modems and where we're headed with this modem technology. And so I want to talk to you now about really what are we doing to bring new mobile experiences to these products. And this really has to be integrated between the additional hardware that you bring to this device and the SoC itself, along with the software and everything so it really works on a seamless, fluid experience. So we have two examples that I want to give you here this afternoon. The first one is RealSense, and you saw us introduce the first example of RealSense at CES. And what RealSense does is adds basically 3D imaging capabilities, so you get all of the depth data in the application itself. And so I can take this picture. These were actually pictures taken here in Barcelona. And just using this slider scale, I can adjust the lighting so it goes from black and white to, you can see the lights turn on with the depth of the picture. That's just one example of an application usage of RealSense. This was the Venue 8. We introduced this. This started shipping in January, and we introduced this at CES. But I want to show you the next version, which is the Dell Venue 10. And this is the first of the next level of these same devices. It has that same RealSense camera on the back. And I'll first show you another one of the applications. We've shown this a couple times. And this is where it'll adjust focus. This is again a picture we took here in Barcelona. You can see the bike racks. But what I was really looking for was to see these people in the background. I didn't want the bike. If I just simply touch on those people, they become in focus and the bike becomes unclear. I can touch, then back on the bike, and the bike becomes focused. So you don't have to worry about what you focus on. It will adjust real time for you. Now, we did a lot of work with Dell on the special hinge, and this device is really kind of neat. It's a wireless hinge that has some special technology we've developed so that you don't have the typical pins and difficult combination. It just magnetically attaches back, and it's a fully functioning keyboard. Another thing I wanted to show you was wireless charging, which is really, you've seen a lot of that going on in the show here, and this is really coming to almost, we believe, all of your devices. We have a table here with wireless charging built into it, and I always use these light boards to kind of demonstrate that it is a charging table and it is able to charge. And then this is our Broadwell reference design, and I'll lay that over. And you can see it's charging as well, wireless charging. The last section around mobile experiences is around security. And I think as we all look at what's going on in the world, security is becoming more and more of an important factor in our mobile devices. And so, again, this week we're announcing that we've built a lot of partnerships with our Intel security platforms. The Samsung Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge will be shipping with pre-installed McAfee antivirus on the systems. The LG Android Smart device are already protected, but we're also going to extend that now to the wearables. And McAfee Mobile Security will be available on the LG Watch Urbane. So you'll be able to add McAfee antivirus to your watch and wearable now. Think of the data that's coming across these wearables and your desire to have those be protected. And then we've talked about TrueKey. TrueKey really allows this multi-factor identification. We've got a series of new partners with Brightstar, Deutsche Telekom, and Prestigio that will be using TrueKey for multi-factor identification, really again improving your security.